sa Lalawigan 2024 Ritual Dance Showdown Competition to receive
CARCAR!
3 million pesos from the Cebu Provincial Government plus 500,000 pesos from the City Government of Cebu and Sinulog Foundation Incorporated for a total of 3.5 million pesos. The grand champion is
CARCAR!
Congratulations, contingent number 12, the city of CARCAR.
Wow! Yes!
Thank you so much, Mr. Nestor Harding and Ms. Marjan Tagalog of SGB. Viva Pit Senor!
Viva!
Ladies and gentlemen, together with our overall artistic director, engineer, Junjet Primor, and Junjet Productions, voice over
Wow,
MC,
go
the voice
CARCAR!
of Cebu, Jun Rabin. This has been your host, Vince Villafuerte Escario, greeting you all. Viva, 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 Pit Senor! And of course, Sinulog sa Lalawigan 2024 is powered by RRB Sounds. Our official sounds technical supplier, RRB, daghang salamat. Kaninyong tanan, daghang salamat. Mabuhi ka Subo, mabuhi ka Subuanon. Viva Pit Senor!
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a float that will pass. Please, make space for